It's the Respective Angle Show. It's a vibe, and we live. Starring AJ as a host for the culture. We cultivate, innovate. They gon' try to imitate. Don't forget to educate yourself. It could lead to some wealth. The Respective Angle Show. Tell a friend, let them know. Whoa, hey, come on, turn this shit up.
It's time for the Respective Angle Show with your host.
It's the Respective Angle Show. It's a vibe, and we live. Starring AJ as a host for the culture. We cultivate, innovate. They gon' try to imitate. Don't forget to educate yourself. It could lead to some wealth. The Respective Angle Show. Tell a friend, let them know. Whoa, hey, come on, turn this shit up.
It's time for the Respective Angle Show with your host.
It's the Respective Angle Show. It's a vibe, and we live. Starring AJ as a host for the culture. We cultivate, innovate. They gon' try to imitate. Don't forget to educate yourself. It could lead to some wealth. The Respective Angle Show. Tell a friend, let them know. Whoa, hey, come on, turn this shit up.
It's time for the Respective Angle Show with your host.
It's the Respective Angle Show. It's a vibe, and we live. Starring AJ as a host for the culture. We cultivate, innovate. They gon' try to imitate. Don't forget to educate yourself. It could lead to some wealth. The Respective Angle Show. Tell a friend, let them know. Whoa, hey, come on, turn this shit up.
It's time for the Respective Angle Show with your host.
All right. Okay. All right, just making sure. All right. We are back on, guys. We are live. It is yours truly, AJ is live on the Respective Angle Network, one half of the Respective Angle Show. And in a few, you'll be hearing from the other half of the Respective Angle Network, just in a few, quite in a few. But nevertheless, there are some things that we need to speak about today. And there are a lot of things that's going on social media as it relates to Christian Keys and Tyler Perry. It's speculated that Tyler Perry is the person that Christian Keys is referring to when he is when he came up on the other day on social media on the platform and said that there is someone that has SA'd him and is somebody of great influence, someone that a lot of people look up to, and is someone that he himself has looked up to over the years. Now, speculations does say that it may be Tyler Perry, but who knows? Considering the fact that they do have a venture together, financially and in the media, it's kind of difficult to even think about, and it's difficult to come to a unanimous decision to say, well, okay, this is who he's talking about, because when you think about it, they are in litigations together right now. And I didn't say versus each other. I said they are litigations together. It would be one thing if they had a lawsuit, or if Christian Keys had a lawsuit against Tyler Perry and it's on, public record. But as we know that, most of these court cases, when they are filed and stuff like that, they become public knowledge. And I've been looking all over the place. I've been looking on my Pacer account, and I've been looking to see if there's any new court dates. And I did find a court date that has everything to do with Tyler Perry and Christian Keys. Now, you would think that it's a court case that is filed as Tyler Perry versus Christian Keys, or Christian Keys versus Tyler Perry, but that is not even the case. What we're going to review tonight is a document from the courts that includes All the Queen's Men. All the Queen's Men is a show that's on BT Plus, I believe it is, right? BT Plus. It's a show that's on BT Plus that is produced by Tyler Perry. He is the producer. Now, pay close attention. He is the producer of that show, but he is not the person that actually, created the show. It was based off of a book that Christian Keys actually wrote, called Ladies Night. Ladies Night. What's the name of it? And it's based upon the book that he actually wrote, which is the show, All the Queen's Men. So right now there is a lawsuit because, as I said, a lot of people was talking about lawsuits, and it might be Tyler Perry and it might be Tyler Perry, but we can't do the assumptions. We got to do facts for right now. And for right now, as it stands, there is a court case that is actually filed in civil court. All right. If you want to look it up, it's case number 123-CV-05472-ELR. Right. I'm still waiting for my co-host to come on up. Whenever she's ready. But we're not going to rush the show today. I'm not going to rush her because she has a baby in her hand. So we're going to take our time today, and we're going to be looking at this document that has been researched. I've researched this document, and there's no evidence so far of any court filings from Christian Keys versus Tyler Perry. So if anyone does find anything, let us know. Let me know, because I want to see. I would like to read that document and see what exactly is entails. Maybe fit shield, right? So, as I said, Christian Keys and Tyler Perry are in a lawsuit. They're not in a lawsuit against each other. In the United States, the court for the Northern District of Georgia, Atlantic Division. With this case is filed in the Atlantic Northern Division. Right. Honorable Eleanor L. Law. I said that this matter has been assigned to the Honorable Eleanor L. Law. The purpose of this order is to inform the parties and their counsel of the court's policy, practice, and procedures associated with the Americans shall also govern themselves in accordance with these instructions and are directed to read the Now, this order is in combination with the Northern District's local rules and the federal rules of procedure shall govern this case. Any previous instructional order is hereby superseded. Now, let's take it, item number 1, which is the general matters, right? All the federal rules and procedures and civil procedures that they have to abide by, as well as the local rules of the United States District Court for the Northern District of Georgia. Right. So it says that they may obtain certain basic materials and handouts from the office of the clerk of court located in the courthouse inside the house on All right, this is what we want right here. All right, so this is what we're looking for. Exactly what we're looking for right now. This is the document that the state has. Ferry are both defendants on the same case. Check. All right. So it says here that